I am utilizing the Bid Integrations plugin to establish a connection between these two platforms. Let's go to Bid Integration Dashboard. Create Integration. Search and select Bid Assist. Copy the webhook URL and fetch the data. Now, go to Bid Assist Pro Dashboard. Click on Add Widget. Give here the widget name. Create. Click on 3 dots and edit it. Add channel. Choose Custom Form as a channel. Give here a meaningful channel title. Add fields. Scroll down and paste here the webhook URL. Save the channel. Now go WordPress page, click on the Bid Assist logo and click on Bid Integrations. Now fill in the form to fetch data. Submit it. After submitting the form, go to the Bid Integrations dashboard and here you can see the data has been fetched successfully. Now click on Set Action. Now here search and select Sendy. To get API key, go to Sendy dashboard. Click your account in the top right side corner, then click Setting. Now navigate to your API key section. Copy the API key. Paste it here. Now copy the domain name that is Sendy URL. Paste it here. Now click Authorize. Authorization is successful. Click Next. Now select the brand and list. Now map the field. Here is the conditional logic. You can use it if you want. If the condition matches, then the data you will send to Sendy. Click Next. Now save the integration. Go to the WordPress page and fill in the form. Submit it. Form submitted successfully. Now navigate Sendy brand page and click View All List. Select the list. Here is the data that came into Sendy through the integration. Thanks for watching.